The world is moving and technology is changing faster every day. You're looking to discover, to connect, to empower your global organization to work in new and better ways, and enable communications and collaboration that opens new horizons. We can make working across physical, cultural, and virtual divides easier. And though the path to success is not yet clear, your goals are resolute, and you know the time is now. As you create a new vision for keeping your teams working together and enhancing experiences, we can help. With AVI-SPL as your guide, you'll create a digitally enabled infrastructure that empowers your global workforce to connect, work smarter, and live better. We're ready to mobilize quickly with you, support your global growth, and understand your localized needs. We'll guide you on your journey through the winding terrain of digital transformation and help you connect in ways that keep people at the center of your business and drive the results you need. Together, we can move forward with confidence. Together, we can create a more connected world.